Hello. Hello, mommy. It's me. Wee.
How much are you
completed
gonna?
my first ever animation.
What?
I completed my first ever animation.
It's done?
Yeah.
Show me. Show me. Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are fine. So today I'm very excited because I want to share a news with you all that my son has finally made his first animation. But in this video, I will not only be showing the first animation, but as I got a little late to post a new video, so by now he has made another animation also, which obviously I'm going to put in the same video. And it's obviously a great achievement because he's been working for a very long time, and this journey from basic to the mediocre level, and now alhamdulillah I can say that it's a little bit advanced level also that he has reached so far. And my younger one is also working on it, but he is still somewhere between the basic and the mediocre level. So please do watch the whole video so that you can see the final product that he has made, and do appreciate him because this is a young talent, and I think we should all celebrate the young talent and appreciate them so that they can move even further. Ahmad, what have you made so far?
I have made this. I made a character dancing.
It's a dancing character. Is it done?
No, I have to. You see, there is a bone here. Here and yeah, over this place there's the bone, and the bones are coming out of the body. So we will see how to finish that part. So after finishing that part, we will make the mobile screen a bit reflective, and then since we don't have that many good frames, or maybe we have it and I don't know how to turn them on, we can add a plant here or here at this point or somewhere, and if we want to add more details we can add, even in the background we can add stuff.
Okay, good. Good work, excellent. Keep on doing it, ठीक है? फिर मैं आती हूँ थोड़ी देर में, okay?
Hello, mommy.
How much are you
completed
gonna?
my first ever animation.
What?
I completed my first ever animation.
It's done?
Yeah.
Show me, show me.
I'll show you from.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing